Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T. In this video I'll show you how to manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and now enter Files. As you can see right here, you can manage all your files from this menu. Firstly, you can check your downloads, images, videos, audio, and documents and other. Next, you'll be able to calculate storage, check your favorites and save folders, and also, if you go to internal storage, you can browse all folders you've got. If you go to Menu, you'll be able to remove junk files. The button will be right here. Also, you can check Trash and Settings. If you select Clean, you'll be able to remove trash files, but in more specific way. Like you've got cleaning suggestions and many more. Also, if you go to Share, you'll be able to share your files. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.